Feel like everyone online is a coding genius making a fortune and you're just not? Do you see headlines about tech and think, well, that's not for me? What if I told you that you don't need to write a single line of code to start earning real money online? I'm talking about starting today. Stick around because that's exactly what we're going to break down. Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. For years, there was this myth that to succeed online, you had to be a developer or some kind of tech wizard. But welcome to 2025. The game has completely changed. Technology is now for everyone, even if you've never touched code in your life. The secret isn't knowing how to build the tools, it's knowing how to use them. So, if you're a student, a creative, or just someone looking for a side hustle, this video is your official permission slip to jump in. Today, we're covering the 5 easiest, most beginner-friendly ways to make money with zero coding. Let's get into it. First up, the OG of online income, freelancing. What it is? You're selling a skill you already have to clients around the world. I'm not talking about web development. I'm talking about writing, proofreading, designing social media posts, managing someone's inbox as a virtual assistant, or even doing voiceovers. Why it works? It has the lowest barrier to entry. You're not learning a new skill from scratch. You're just learning how to package and sell a skill you already possess. How to get started? Sign up for Upwork, Fiverr, or freelancer.com. These are marketplaces full of clients looking for help. Your first step, don't just create a generic profile. Be specific. Instead of, I'm a writer, say, I write engaging blog posts for pet brands. My quick tip to succeed? Niche down. The riches are in the niches. A specialized Canva designer for real estate agents can charge way more than a general graphic designer. Find your little corner of the internet and own it. Next, for all you creatives out there, selling digital products. What it is? This is the magic of create once, sell forever. Think digital planners, social media templates, ebooks, or Notion templates for organization. Why it works? It's incredibly scalable and can become a source of passive income. You do the work up front, and then the sales can roll in while you sleep. No shipping, no inventory. How to get started? The hero here is Canva. It's a free drag-and-drop design tool that anyone can learn in an afternoon. You can create professional-looking templates with it. Sell your creations on Etsy or Gumroad. They handle the payment and delivery for you. My quick tip to succeed? Solve a tiny, annoying problem. Are people struggling to make their Instagram stories look good? Sell a pack of 10 story templates. Do students need help organizing their semester? Sell a Notion student planner. Your product should be a simple solution. All right, method number 3 is for people who love sharing recommendations. Affiliate marketing. What it is? You earn a commission by promoting other people's products. When someone buys through your unique link, you get a cut. Why it works? You don't have to create a product, deal with customer service, or handle shipping. You're just the trusted middleman. How to get started? The easiest place to start is Amazon Associates. You can recommend any product on Amazon. For other software or digital products, check out networks like Impact or ShareASale. Your first step, start a small blog, a niche Instagram account, or even a TikTok channel focused on a topic you love. Fitness, books, tech gadgets, whatever. Then recommend products you genuinely use and believe in. My quick tip to succeed? Trust is everything. Don't just spam links. Create content that helps people first. A review video, a tutorial, or a top 5 list builds authority. The sales will follow the trust. Want to be a YouTuber without showing your face or even editing your own videos? Then you'll love method number 4, YouTube automation. What it is? These are faceless channels that create content using stock footage, AI voiceovers, and simple animations. Think channels about history, psychology facts, or guided meditations. Why it works? It's perfect for introverts or people who want to systematize their content creation. You can focus on the research and scripting and let tools do the heavy lifting. How to get started? Use Pictory to automatically create videos from a script using a library of stock footage. Use Synthesia to create AI avatars that read your script. For voiceovers, you can use AI tools like Murph.ai or hire a voice actor on Fiverr. Your first step? Pick a niche that has high search interest, but doesn't require a personality. Think top 10 lists, historical stories, or finance explainers. My quick tip to succeed? Focus on great storytelling and audio quality. Even with AI and stock clips, a compelling story and a clear, pleasant voice, whether real or AI, is what will keep viewers hooked. Finally, number 5 is about monetizing the most valuable asset you have, your brain. I'm talking about online tutoring and coaching. What it is? You teach something you know to someone who wants to learn it. This could be anything: high school math, how to play the guitar, speaking a new language, or even coaching someone on how to be more confident in job interviews. Why it works? You're trading your knowledge directly for money, often at high hourly rates. It's rewarding, and you can make a real impact on someone's life. How to get started? Use sites like Superprof or Preply to list your services and find students. Your first step? Or to start on social media. Post on Instagram or LinkedIn that you're offering coaching sessions on a topic you're an expert in. My quick tip to succeed? Offer a free 15-minute discovery call. This no-pressure chat helps you understand the student's needs and shows them your value, making it much easier to sign them up as a paying client. All right, that was a lot, but let's do a super quick recap. The 5 easiest ways to make money online with zero code. Freelancing your skills on platforms like Upwork. Selling digital products made with Canva on Etsy. Earning commissions with affiliate marketing. Creating faceless YouTube automation channels. And online tutoring to teach what you already know. See? You don't need to be a tech prodigy. You just need an idea and the willingness to take that first step. The biggest barrier isn't your lack of coding skills, it's just getting started. Now, everything we talked about today is just the beginning. These are the entry-level hustles. But what if you wanted to build your own apps, websites, and automate your business without code? That's where things get really exciting. In part 2, we'll dive into the world of no-code tools and how to use them to build apps, automate workflows, and generate serious passive income. You are not going to want to miss it. If this video sparked an idea for you, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. And I have a question for you. Which of these 5 methods are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. Finally, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss part 2. It's going to be a game changer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.